The tillandsia was named after a physician named Elise Tillandse. Tillandsia plants have flowers that tend to be tubular and range in colors from purple, blue, white, pink, or yellow. They grow upside down, right side up, or sideways. There are over 550 different tillandsia species. Tillandsia have two major types of species, those with heavy and strong leaves and those with soft and light leaves, although a few are fragrant. The reproduction seeds, suckling, are called pups. Tillandsia species are in the pineapple family, which is also known as the bronchiolos family. This is the Tillandsia tenuifolia. They contrast with deciduous plants which completely lose their foliage, leaves, during the winter or dry season. Because they are evergreen, they stay green throughout the whole year. Evergreen plants include most species of conifers, but not all, live oak, holly, and ancient gymnosperms, such as cycads. Most gymnosperms from forest-free climates, such as eucalyptus and rainforest trees, club mosses, and relatives. This is a genus of 730 species of evergreen, perennial flowering plants in the bronchiolos family, native forest, mountain, and deserts of Central, South America, the United States, and the West Indies. A perennial plant, meaning through year, is a plant that lives more than 2 years. The term is often used to differentiate the plant from shorter lived annuals and biennials. The Tillandsia species are epiphytic, also called aerophytic, or air plants. Epiphytic is not parasitic, depending on the host only for support. Moisture and nutrients are gathered from the air, dust, decaying leaves, and insect matters through structures in leaves called trichomes.
This is the inside of a trichome. Trichomes meaning hair are fine outgrowths or appendages on plants, algae, lichens, and certain protists. They are of diverse structure and function. Examples are hairs, glandular hairs, scales, and papillae. A covering of any kind of hairs on a plant is an indumentum, and the surface bearing them is said to be pubescent. How a trichome works inside starts with the organelles produced by the plant called vacuoles, containing hydrocarbons called terpenes, make their way up the trichome stalk and combine inside the secretory cavity into a fibrous mat. The Tillandsia species are one of the most interesting air plants and are attracted to many things.
Thank you for watching.